SEO Predictions 2024. I'm William Nozak from Nozak Consulting. In this video, we're cutting through the hype to get you a realistic look at what's in store for SEO in 2024. Prediction 1. AI-powered SEO is the new reality. Artificial intelligence is more than just hype. It's transforming SEO. We're already witnessing AI powerhouses like ChatGPT and Bard being utilized for keyword research, uncovering hidden opportunities and semantic variations, content optimization, creating engaging SEO-friendly copy at scale, competitor analysis, identifying weaknesses in competitor strategies, technical SEO audits, pinpointing and resolving technical issues that can hinder your rankings. In 2024, those who fail to embrace AI will fall behind. Adaptation is key. Prediction number 2. Zero-click searches. A growing challenge. Google is becoming increasingly efficient at providing answers directly in search results, leading to fewer clicks to your website. While this is a concern, the solution is to optimize for featured snippets and rich results. Even without clicks, you gain valuable brand exposure. Prediction number 3, EEAT, the non-negotiable standard. Expertise, experience, authoritativeness, trustworthiness is Google's way of assessing the credibility of your website. In 2024, EEAT will become even more crucial. Demonstrate your expertise, showcase your experience, and earn authoritative backlinks from reputable sources to meet this standard. SEO in 2024 is a constantly evolving field. By staying informed and adapting your strategies, you can navigate these changes effectively. Stay ahead of the game by subscribing to our channel for the latest SEO insights. If you need a partner to guide you through the ever-changing SEO landscape, reach out to Nozak Consulting. We're here to help you succeed in search.